Krishna gave her the name Gandharvika. Gandharvika means that the Gandharvas are very expert in music and dance, but she's Gandharvika. She's worshipped by the Gandharvas. So she's the best dancer, and the best singer, and the best musician. And Gandharvika also means Gandha. Gandha means fragrance. When Radharani is dressing in the morning, and the Manjaris are dressing her, and she takes off her petticoat, and when that petticoat falls on the ground, then Bhumi becomes fragrant. Because the natural fragrance, as we heard, Radharani's body is naturally fragrant with a celestial divine aroma that cannot be found anywhere. And that aroma enters into her cloth. So when the Manjaris are changing Radharani, dressing her in the morning, in Barsan or Javat, and her petticoat falls on the ground, and when that petticoat touches the earth, it imparts flavor or gandha, smell to the earth. And the earth takes on so many ability to give fragrance to so many flowers, rose flowers. So the origin of all beautiful fragrances is the beautiful body of Srimati Radharani. That's why when Prabhupada told us, when he said, when you see a flower, Prabhupada said it's Krishna's smile. Krishna's smiling. A beautiful flower is the smile of Krishna. Why is Krishna smiling? Because the fragrance of that flower is the fragrance of Radharani. Because the origin of all the fragrance of this world is Radharani. When her petticoat touches the earth, it fills the earth with the fragrance, which again comes back. So when we smell a flower offered to Krishna, we can imagine, or we can try to imagine, how much beautiful the wonderful fragrant body of Gandharvika. So this name Gandharvika means this, Gandha. Her body imparts fragrance to the whole universe.